Your kitchen is the heart of your home, but small design mistakes can make it look outdated, cluttered, or even cheap. In this video, we'll reveal 25 kitchen design mistakes that are ruining your space plus easy solutions to elevate your kitchen and give it a high-end, designer feel. Let's dive in. Section 1, Outdated Design Choices. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is sticking with outdated design elements that instantly make a kitchen look cheap. Mismatched or old-fashioned hardware is a common culprit. Those shiny brass or plastic knobs from decades ago can ruin your kitchen's aesthetic. Instead, opt for modern finishes like matte black, brushed brass, or stainless steel to create a sleek and coordinated look. Another major issue is fluorescent lighting. Harsh, cool-toned overhead lights give a sterile, uninviting feel. Instead, layer your lighting with warm under-cabinet LEDs, stylish pendant lights, and dimmable recessed fixtures to add depth and ambience. Shiny, cheap-looking glossy cabinets can also make your kitchen feel outdated. Matte or semi-gloss finishes in neutral tones like soft beige, greige, or muted blues will give your space a more high-end appeal. Your backsplash is another area where design mistakes stand out. If you're still rocking outdated beige tiles or mosaic backsplashes from the early 2000s, it's time for an upgrade. Consider sleek subway tiles, marble slabs, or textured ceramic designs for a timeless and elegant feel. Section 2, Cheap Materials and Finishes. Many homeowners try to save money by choosing budget-friendly materials, but some of these choices can cheapen your kitchen's overall look. Laminate countertops with obvious seams are one of the biggest offenders. While laminate has improved over the years, obvious plastic-looking edges make a kitchen feel low budget. If you're on a tight budget, opt for butcher block, quartz alternatives, or seamless solid surfaces to achieve a more refined look. Another common mistake is using peel and stick wallpaper or faux brick panels as a backsplash. While these might seem like a quick fix, they often look tacky up close. Instead, invest in affordable real tile options or even painted shiplap for a rustic, authentic feel. Similarly, vinyl flooring with an unrealistic wood grain pattern can make your kitchen appear artificial. If you want a high-end feel without the high cost, consider luxury vinyl planks or engineered hardwood, which provide durability and elegance. Section 3, Poor Color Choices. Color plays a huge role in your kitchen's perceived value, and the wrong choices can make it feel outdated or low quality. One common mistake is using too many bright or mismatched colors. A neon green accent wall or cherry red cabinets might seem fun, but they can make your kitchen feel chaotic rather than luxurious. Stick to neutral or muted tones with pops of color in accessories like bar stools, dishware, or small appliances. Another big mistake is choosing pure white everything. While an all-white kitchen can look elegant when done right, stark white walls, cabinets, and countertops can feel too sterile and harsh. Instead, warm up your space with soft grays, warm taupes, or creamy off-whites, and introduce texture through materials like wood, stone, or brass hardware. Lastly, dark, heavy cabinets in small kitchens can make the space feel closed-in and outdated. If you have a smaller kitchen, opt for light wood, white, or pastel cabinets to create an airy, open feel. You can still introduce darker accents through hardware, light fixtures, or an island color to add contrast without overwhelming the space. Section 4, Layout and Organization Mistakes. A poorly planned kitchen layout can make even the most expensive kitchen feel cheap and inefficient. One of the biggest mistakes is placing appliances too close together or too far apart. The classic kitchen work triangle, which positions the sink, stove, and refrigerator within an easy-to-reach distance, should always be considered when designing your space. Another major issue is a lack of proper storage solutions. Cluttered countertops filled with small appliances, utensils, and random decor items instantly cheapen the look of a kitchen. Instead, invest in pull-out drawers, floating shelves, and built-in organizers to keep your space tidy. Additionally, avoid open shelving overload. While a few open shelves can look stylish, having too many can make your kitchen appear messy and unorganized. Stick to a balance of closed cabinetry and selective open shelving to maintain a polished look. One overlooked mistake is skipping a designated trash bin area. A visible trash can in the middle of the kitchen disrupts the aesthetic. Consider a pull-out trash drawer to keep waste out of sight and maintain a sleek, streamlined appearance. Section 5, Decor and Styling Mistakes. Even if your kitchen has high-quality materials, the wrong decor choices can make it look cheap. One major offender is over-the-top themed decor. Think excessive live, laugh, love signs, coffee station stickers, or fruit-themed wall art. Keep decorations minimal and opt for high-quality, timeless accessories like ceramic vases, elegant bowls, or simple framed art. Another mistake is clashing metal finishes in faucets, cabinet handles, and lighting fixtures. Mixing too many different metal tones such as gold, silver, and bronze can create a disjointed look. Instead, stick to one or two complementary finishes for a cohesive design. Lastly, avoid cheap, plastic-looking rugs or mats in your kitchen. Instead, opt for woven or natural fiber rugs, which add warmth and texture without looking out of place. A well-placed runner rug in front of the sink or island can elevate your kitchen's style without much effort. And there you have it, 25 kitchen mistakes that make your home look cheap and how to fix them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest home design tips. Which of these mistakes surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below.